We're thrilled to announce our Easy Digital cards with exciting new features. Enhanced auto trim functionality helps streamline business card trimming after scanning, making it effortless. Access your phone contacts in a detailed view for seamless direct calls or use WhatsApp for making calls. With our new WhatsApp interface, making WhatsApp calls directly from Easy Digital cards is just a click away. In the call logs, you can conveniently add notes for calls made using Easy Digital card. Our app is now available on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Get it today. Hey, do you like this? If you'd like a similar one for your products, feel free to contact us through one of the options below.